this one's cute. Look at this cafe. Okay, but see, they don't miss sometimes. Like, it's all cool up here in the walls. I'm not sure what is going on. It also kind of just looks like soup again, though. I want my capsule. Uji in Japan, in Fukuoka, the city I've been staying in to get a visa. More on that later, but looks kind of just like the ones in the States. No, like exactly the same. I just need a headband. Where are the hair accessories? Oh my god. Okay, this is like all the accessories and shit I want. We've struck the gold mine. God, how did we even find this place? Oh yeah, so there's gotta be some hair accessories here. Like a headband. Or like some cute shit. I feel like they're not gonna be good ones though. I don't want electronics here. Here is really good, like beautiful, like peaceful. Literally have like nature and spirituality. And you can just like feel those two come together and like everything backs off. Everything else, anything else. So I'm gonna be here for a minute. Gonna go grab my clothes to change into, but like look how crazy this is. Like, look, you can like see like in them. Like what in the Matrix? Very like Matrix. Okay, so locker. Fits everything like a glove. I feel like so far it's been pretty tight. Like this has been cool. The only thing is the check-in. The check-in sucked. But yeah, this is like something else. I don't know. are in the Capsule. It's amazing. Like at first when I was checking in, I was like, fuck this, the check-in sucks. But like it was worth it. This is like such a weird, unique Matrix experience. I showered, got my dress on. We're gonna go get some dinner. I'm thinking like, it's like what I have to whisper because we can't talk in here, I guess. I'm thinking like cute tapa but Japanese vibe. This is so cool. Okay, first night sleeping in this, and they literally give you like pajamas, but it makes you look like you're in the Hunger Games or like in an inmate vibe. But like this is an experience. Look at this shit. I be vibing. This store, give this place a raise. Have been coughing for the past like 3 weeks, probably walking pneumonia at this point. I'm like, okay, I gotta get some medicine for this shit. Hooked me up right away, easy. Like pharmacy, but so quick, the service. They had the black headband I've been looking for, period. And then deodorant, roll-on, and Wi-Fi. Finally, somewhere that has Wi-Fi. Give this place a whole 10 out of 10 raise. Did we see ya? See ya, I think? Yeah. Chef's kiss. I'll be back. This place. We see ya. Show you the logo. Can you see it? Yeah. Basically, we are in Grandma's house right now. We're eating breakfast. Japanese breakfast. And it's amazing. That place was 10 out of 10. It was it was auntie grandma vibes, making food. It's called, I think it's just called Coffee and Kitchen. Oh, Coffee Dart? I don't know. Here it is. It's literally amazing. Like this place, just amazing people. Like that's what I'm talking about. It's supposed to be a travel district. Everyone's got their suitcases and shit here. Hate it. I don't like this area that much. Next time I'm gonna stay. I wouldn't mind though this hostel again. I would just do it in a different area. I've been thinking of this concept of like givers and takers in life, like as far as individuals go. But I've also noticed it with cultures. Like some cultures are naturally like giving cultures, and some are taking cultures. A lot of Western cultures tend to be like taking vibes. Like they want you to pay for everything, and like it's just kind of wring you dry. And like not even fair, but like taking. Like Germans, for example, it's like a culture that's Western that I find to be very fair. Like everything they do is like based on fairness, And I like that sense. Like, I like that. I'm with that. I can get with that. What I can't get with, like, be fair or give, but don't take. Because it screws you over in the end. Like, America, I feel it's a taking culture right now, kind of. Yeah, take it. Overcharge, low quality. It's called taking. Japan, on the whole, seems to be like a taking culture. Like, they're stingy. They're not like overly giving for sure. Like, make you pay for a bag. Don't give you Wi-Fi even when you buy their food type shit. It's taking. It's taking. They also have a long history of like colonization and aggressive behavior. But whatever. So does everyone. But yeah, but that place I just went, those women were givers. Like, gave me a little free thing. Gave me a little, just like you could tell they tried to give me Wi-Fi, they couldn't figure it out. They were just givers. Like, they're just that sweet, warm, older woman vibe, and like you walk in, it's grandma's house, it's like they're giving. They're here to raise us. It wasn't taking, it was giving. I don't think the style's amazing here. No offense. Like, I haven't walked into clothing stores. I'm uninspired to buy clothing here. Type shit. Vietnam is amazing for clothes. Yeah. That's my takes of the morning. Gonna go to Starbucks and get jumbo done the next till lunchtime. A tea garden? How could I resist? I doubt they're gonna have Wi-Fi, but if they do, God bless. It's so gorgeous. Oh, they have Coca City Wi-Fi. This could work. Look how gorgeous. Oh. Hi guys. Hi. Oh, thank you. Arigato. Got an earthquake warning on my phone, and I went inside to ask if it's gonna happen. They said it already happened. I was like, oh fuck, I didn't feel it. But we were in like a bonsai shop, and you could see the things swaying, so it had rocked it a little bit. I'm just really praying that it's not gonna be too bad. I think blue means okay, and we're in like a blue area. I don't know. I'm like kind of scared, yo.